This is a song I wrote called Free. I was once in the chains of life. I was in so many hard times. Then you came and broke through your chains. You had also broken my chains. You set me free. Yes, I am free. I am free from my chains. You have changed me from rock to flowing free. I am free. You have changed my life and set me free. I'm like a fire burning free. I'm like the sea flowing so free. I am free from my chains. I am free from my chains of life. I am free. I am like a wild horse, once captured, then set free. My hard rock self is softened to be free.